Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to guide you how you can easily start your own LLC in Rhode Island so you can start making money. I believe that in a business that you should focus on making money, running the business, and creating value for people, not micromanaging how we can start a company and also administration and accounting. Because when your attention is everywhere, you're nowhere. So focus on the one thing and do it properly, and focus on the things that gives you growth for your company. And in this video, I'm going to show you a really easy way how you can start your own LLC. So the first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you will do it, you will get right here to Incfile. Incfile is an amazing company that is going to help us start our own LLC in Rhode Island. Here, click Start My Business. And then you choose LLC here, and state of information, you're going to find Rhode Island. Here you're going to have three options: silver, gold, and platinum. So with the silver, you're going to have filling the articles of organization, unlimited name searches, free registered agent service for a year. But with the gold version, that's what I recommend, is you're going to have everything covered, from business tax consultation, online access dashboard, unlimited name searches, business tax number, operating agreement. In the gold version, you're gonna have covered all. But with the platinum, you're gonna have free bonuses if you want to. You're gonna have the business contract templates, like let's say privacy policy, terms of conditions, etc. You will find later in the video. Expedited filling, that means that your LLC would be filled faster, and then domain name and business email. If you need those, you can jump and go with the platinum, but gold is going to be sufficient. Click here, get the gold package, and here you're gonna have a first name, last name, and email address and phone number. Then you're gonna have, let's say, street address. So I will add Marcus Stonelius, and email address. So gmail.com, and I will add a phone number here. Like this. Then street address, city, Rhode Island, and zip code. Now when you have it, click next here. Here you're gonna have the confirmed address, so I will have entered or suggested. You can go with the suggested if you want to. And then you're gonna have the state filling time. So with the state filling time, you can have it 3 weeks, or you can have your LLC filled in 1 day. So if you want to focus on the business growth, you can go on one business day and just move on with life, right? For $50, better than 3 weeks, because in those 3 weeks you can make more money. LLC name here. So LLC name, let's say I'm going to make it Marketing Marcus, and designator is going to be LLC, and the number of members and owners, I'm going to say 1. Then I'm going to have also the business purpose here, where I would let's say marketing with small business owners, and you're gonna have the LLC name. That's one that you can create. Let's say bakery with Jessica, hair salon with Marcus, whatever. And designator, you choose which one you like. Then you're gonna have the industry here. So I'm going to add marketing, but if you have your own, choose it right here. And company address information, I would just simply add address here, and then I would press next. Now we get also option to have higher premium service package. That's what I was talking about. You can find those 25 high quality legal documents right here. And if you need domain name, business email, you can easily upgrade. Or you can, no thanks, I will pass on this opportunity. Then you need to add a member. So you need to add a company, or if you're individual. If you're individual, you just fill everything here and then press next. And then you're gonna have the registered agent information here. So you can assign Incfile as my registered agent free for the first year, or you can act as your own registered agent. So these are the two options that you can do. And then when you have it, you would click next here. Then you're gonna have a tax identification number. So we'd simply add a name and let's say SSN number. And when you have that, you would add a physical street address. So this is something that I recommend also to do, because the Incfile is going to cover the IRS electronically. It will apply it for you. Then when you have it, click next here. And now you're going to have, please have a Bank of America small business specialist contact you, or note at this time. So this is something that you can do. And this is how you can do it. And here you would click next again. And then free consultation tax strategy. So here you will learn how your LLC is taxed, how to reduce self-employment taxes, commonly missed deductions, how to reduce the chance of an IRS audit. And you would click here, yes, I would like to receive the business tax consultation. And I will click next again. Here you're going to have identify 2 licenses for your consulting business in Rhode Island. And you can click here, yes, identify all licenses I need, and send me the necessary applications. And that's something that I definitely recommend for you to have again, that they are going to cover it for you, so you can actually focus on business. And here you would add a street address, city, and everything. And when you got it, you would click again next. Then you see the review of your order for your company, and you see the formation, contact information, agent, company. So all the important stuff right here, you can have it. And when you're going to review everything, you would click next again. And then you're going to have the billing information. So first name, street address, card number, and then you would click simply complete and pay. And this is pretty much it, how we can use it. And this is how we can use Incfile. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. If you're going to have any questions, guys, let me know down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support. You know how it goes, you know how it is. So here, after you're going to finish it, they're going to reply to you and you're good to go. And they're going to write you emails about the LLC and stuff like that. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. This is how you can start your own LLC in Rhode Island. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.